Hello, guys! Thank you so much for tuning in, and welcome back to our series all about the Wix File Share app. In this video, we'll learn how to manage library permissions in our Wix File Share app so that you can have better control over your folders and files. But first, let's talk about permission levels within Wix. So to view, this allows a permitted user to open, view, and download all folders and files in your library. Upload, this allows a permitted user to upload or add files, to view, as well as to download files. And finally, manage. This allows a permitted user to add folders and files, manage folders and files, as well as to give permission to others to access specific folders. Now, with that out of the way, let's learn how to actually manage permissions. So first, go to your Wix site's editor. Now go to Pages and Menu, and under Site menu, select File Share so that we will be taken to the File Share page of our website. And here we are. Now click on your File Share app and click on Settings. A small window will appear. Now go to the Settings tab and go to Library Permissions here. Now start setting things up. So who can view and download items? Would you like it to be site visitors, so anyone who visits the site, or all members, so visitors who log into this site? Select an option you prefer. Now who can upload files? Select an option. Click on the pencil icon to edit the settings. And over here, you can select which ones you'd like to give access to this specific permission. If you'd like to create a new one, click on Create New over here. And then create a new member role where you can assign a specific action that they can do. Let's create an example. So let's click on New Role. Input your role name over here. And input your description over here as well. Then select a row color. Let's try yellow. Now click on Save Role. Now we will be taken to the Role Permissions tab, where you can set which member pages this role has access to. So feel free to select. I'd like them to have access to notifications and account settings, for example, but feel free to choose whatever suits your preferences or needs. Once you're done, click on Save. Now go to the Members tab, and this is where you can assign members to this specific role. Click on Assign Role to Members, and then select a member you would like to assign this role to. Once you're done, click on Assign to Role. Now this role has been assigned to that specific member. By the way, you can choose as many members as you want, depending on your preference. But as for me, for demonstration purposes, we'll only work on one since we don't have actual members yet. Now let's go back by closing this window. And over here, you can see that our newly created role has been added to the list. Now you can select it by ticking the checkbox that corresponds to it. Once you're done selecting, click on Apply, and only those who you've chosen to be in this will be able to have this specific access, who can upload files. And by the way, before we forget, who can manage the library? It's the same thing. In order for you to edit this, you can click on the pencil icon and choose a group or a member you'd like to have this permission applied to. But in my case, just the admin can manage the library, so I'm not going to be changing that. Now, once you're done, you can close this small window and then click on Save so that all of the changes to your site will be saved. And that's pretty much it. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching.